Ever wondered what lies beyond the stars we see in the night sky? The universe, with its vast expanse, hides countless wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. This journey into the cosmos will unravel the enigmatic facts about outer space, the weird worlds beyond our solar system, and the astonishing cosmic phenomena that boggle our minds. In the first segment, we explore the weird worlds beyond our solar system. There exists a diamond planet where it rains diamonds, and Kepler 16b, a planet that orbits two suns, making it a real-life version of Star Wars' Tatooine. Next, we delve into the astonishing cosmic phenomena that defy our understanding of the universe. Black holes, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, and pulsars, spinning neutron stars emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses, are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The third segment takes us on the hunt for extraterrestrial life. Scientists are exploring the surface of Mars and listening for signals from distant civilizations in the hope of answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Next, we venture into the mysteries of space that continue to puzzle us. From the WOW signal, a powerful radio signal that remains unexplained, to Tabby's star with its erratic dimming patterns, these cosmic enigmas hold secrets waiting to be discovered. In the final segment, we peer into the future of space exploration and colonization. With planned missions to Mars and concepts of colonizing distant worlds, humanity's journey into the cosmos is just beginning. So there we have it. From weird worlds to cosmic phenomena, the hunt for extraterrestrial life, unsolved mysteries of space, and the future of space exploration and colonization, the cosmos is an enigma that keeps us fascinated. As we continue our journey through the universe, always remember, the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.